Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you wherever you are in the world. I remain your G, Arenga. Okay now, if you don't know, now you know. I am here, live and direct, at where? Enugu State. And where I am presently is called Ngwo. Yes, Ngwo Pine Forest. What is this place all about? Huh? Okay, however, before I move further, let me introduce to you my guy.
H Prince by name. Okay.
So this is
H Prince by name.
H Prince. Yes, or by name.
Yes.
Is that by name another distinct?
No.
Okay, this is H Prince. What is your local name so that people will know?
Okay. Prince
that
Goodness. Prince Goodness.
Prince Goodness. She
Emery.
Emere.
Yes,
What is the meaning of that name?
Emery. God is over all. God wins.
Everything in this land.
Yeah.
God. What is happening? Eh? But sometimes now they say that even devil is one of the gods. Nobody want to bear. What is devil here? Ekwensu bere. Nobody want to hear any. Oh my God. Anyway, we are here live and direct with my body here. Again, that's your name.
Prince Goodness.
Prince Goodness. So he's going to take us round. And apart from that, I have another brother here. So this is Kosiso Shuku. Yes, that's Kosiso Shuku. He's also based in Enugu State here. And I have my boy. That's Shidera.
Yeah. AKA Davis.
Okay, can you hear that? Shidera herself, guess where I go? see, I said, I have a boy here, Shidera. See, I said, okay, yeah, you're AKA Davis.
AKA.
So you will be seeing more of these guys while we move around Enugu State. I am sure you already know this.
This is Isaac Vincent.
You too put AKA.
AKA Vinny J.
Hey, everybody put AKA. Look at those two guys there. Oh. Look at them. Oh. What are you guys doing? Man, nah, this place is beautiful. This place is beautiful. So that's Cooks and SOJ Nestor. So we are all here to explore Ngwo Pine. Ngwo, see the way I'm pronouncing this thing, self. May God forgive me. Oh. May people of Enugu forgive me. Because I'm a small boy who does not know how to pronounce all these things. So please, I pray that Enugu people should please forgive me in case I pronounce anything that you people will hear and say, how is this person pronouncing a language like this? Please forgive me. So we are at the Ngwo Ngwo Pine Forest. Yeah, it's a pine forest that is very near to the center of Enugu State. Yes, Enugu City, exactly. Okay, now. So the forest hosts a limestone cave sculpted with a small water floor that forms a shallow pool at the bed of the cave. So the pine forest is used as what? A recreational area to picnic and so on. So it's a place where you people can come and relax, enjoy yourself. As you can see, wow, this is so beautiful. Honestly, you can come with your family here, enjoy yourself, and you know,
Spend Christmas.
okay, they spend Christmas here too.
Easter, New Year,
Wow. So wherever you are in the world, this is another place for you to come over and have fun, enjoy yourself. It's a place where you can all come and explore Enugu and see how beautiful Enugu State is. Okay, so now let's roll it. So right now we'll be proceeding to the cave and the waterfall, isn't it?
Yes.
Let's go. This is another side of the pine forest. You can look at it. This is where we are coming from. This is it. So it's on this other side that they have the cave and the waterfall. It's been a while that I've been to only 2 waterfalls in Nigeria. I've been to the highest waterfall in Nigeria, which is Owu Waterfall in Owa Onire, Kwara State. So, and I've also been to Arinta Waterfall in Ekiti State. So here I am in Ngwo, Enugu State. Hey, wow, 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 wow. You see? How? Wow. Wow. Can you say this? Look at how beautiful this place is. Look at how beautiful this place is. Wow.
Very nice. Very nice.
Wow. Wow.
Very nice. It's true. This place. Fine.
If you want to shoot a love movie, love scenes, I
Love
think
scenes?
yes, so you can come down to this place to shoot, and you know, the girl, the beautiful girl, will be running up and down, and that handsome man will be chasing the girl up and down.
What's up, YouTube? Come and join me.
Look at these guys. Look at these guys.
They have finished all the food that is in that boot. All the bread. All the bread that is in that boot.
They break from Kano East, West, and North. This year, no good. You see many things there. And there we will see confirm Olako, Shila, and those many things. It's in food there. You will see the one just like here. If you see that one, I'm not sure
We've been to Okija Shrine now.
I know Okija now.
You know Okija don't get power past all this one where they talk.
No, Okija get power past all this thing. Okija very big. That Shila is very big. That Okija own abi. Very big. Very big one. I know Okija. You know that I think that was some years ago. Yeah. If someone die, they will say na that shrine.
Shrine, the Okija.
Then they carry those dead the body, they come there. The people will, maybe will now the person die, maybe the person, they say they put the guy or the girl or the woman, they say 2 to 3 months for the mortuary. The day they will bury the woman, they will just say Okija, that's a Okija.
You have told us your story, but they've also told us their story.
Ugwabu cannot kill you when you are innocent. There's someone before Ugwabu started working on you, your own person, somebody come and summon you at the Ugwabu Shrine Court. That will be a paper that will be presented to you that you have been summoned at the Great Ugwabu Shrine Court. Then if you go and answer the call that they call you, then maybe you talk what is the problem between you and the person talk, that will be no problem. But when you insisted, they give people, you say, who is Ogwa? What can he do? The shrine that Tafa Balog has carried and do all this and all this. And you now starting to understand Ogwa as something that is barbaric. Yes, it is barbaric, we know. It is barbaric, we know. But it is fearful.
When it strikes.
Yes. You cannot withstand it. And he did not do something that is injustice.
That's seriously.
Yes. So those of you that have watched the Okija video, you can hear his own perspective. So, but don't worry.
That is Okija for you.
Be happy. Wait, oh, what is happening?
Wow.
How are you going to?
Then how do we get back?
You will just hold this.
Okay, let's do it.
Wait, so let those that know how to
No step.
Or we just
There's no
roll
step
down?
here. Are you sure this is the only way to the cave?
This is the place I know.
But that guy was talking about the other side.
I don't know.
Yeah, okay,
Let's see. Oh yeah,
And you have passed through this place before.
Oh yeah, now. Listen, they fear.
Be careful, please. Oh. How bad is it?
And if you can control it, fine.
Be careful, man. That place is even better.
Are we going back up?
Yo, man.
I told you when I said it, this is the first one.
Yeah, take your Captain Band.
Bang, baby. We are we have machine. This is how we march.